Hi friends, I have some very exciting news for ACCA pursuing students. Now, as you know, at Synthesis Learning, we are a platinum approved learning partner, and day in and day out, it's our endeavor to help students study the ACCA qualification seamlessly and clear the exams in the first go. But it is also a very, very big responsibility to help the ACCA students get placed in the right internships and jobs. And as a part of the many initiatives that we undertake, I'm very happy to share a very exciting initiative with you. Synthesis Learning has partnered with InCorp India, okay, to help the ACCA students with internships and full-time jobs. Now, InCorp India is an ACCA approved employer. What does InCorp do? Now, InCorp is a financial services provider. It's an integrated ecosystem of various financial services such as advisory, assurance, taxation, FEMA, corporate secretarial services, investment banking, etc. And InCorp is headquartered in Singapore, having offices across Southeast Asia, various countries in Southeast Asia. And India is also a very, very big office of InCorp. So you have a lot of employee strength headquartered in Mumbai, Bangalore, Ahmedabad, and many more cities. So InCorp will work very closely with Synthesis in identifying high quality talent which can be placed in various internships and job opportunities. And I think this helps us complete the entire loop for ACCA students from coaching to employment.